On May 19th, 7 Gateway High School students will head to Georgia Tech to compete in the National Sea Perch Competition. They will be using homemade robots to perform in an underwater obstacle course challenge.
So we got the motors, the actual drivable motors from the Sea Perch kit, and we had to waterproof them using film canisters, wax, and electrical tape. You can see there. And then we just mount them to the robot with zip ties.
You have a budget of $20 or less, so you have to figure out a way to make it out of materials that are under $20. So we chose to use the PVC and a few specialty items like the wire, and pool noodles aren't optional. But
using propellers, the robots dip into the water, picking up rings and cubes and placing them on a scoring platform. It's a combination of manufacturing a good design and having a good driver. It worked well last year.
Well, last year it was a group of 4 of us. We've never done any of it before for Sea Perch, and it was just with the class. We're figuring, all right, we'll just give it a shot. You know, maybe we'll do well at our school, and it turns out we won there. So we carried on to the regional competition down at Carnegie Mellon, and we happened to win there as well with a robot. So that gave us a chance to go to LSU for the national competition. And we figured, all right, we're this far, why not give it another shot? And then we ended up getting 3rd overall in the nation for that competition.
Teams for this year's Sea Perch competition started forming last semester.
We started just after Thanksgiving. It's been a long process. We finished up the in-school stuff the end of January, and now we just have the 2 teams that have been working hard for Pittsburgh Regional and
the teams admit they're not quite ready for nationals and will use remaining time for last-minute design tweaks.
Just trying to get our best, out of the competition, making modifications still, just seeing what we can do as well as we can, and we're hoping.
Still, Gateway's anxious to get to Atlanta to see if their final designs hold up well against their national peers.
Both teams are very excited to compete, and we're hoping to bring home some hardware to Gateway.
From Gateway High School in Monroeville, this is Samson Horn, and you're watching Trib Live.